Hi, Simon Arthur here with Big Blue Saw, and today I want to show you one of the new features on our website, which is the ability to get an instant quote from a step file, which is a type of 3D file. And I'm going to be demonstrating that with the free open source package FreeCAD, which is a 3D modeling and design tool. In the past, you've only been able to get instant quotes through our website using 2D files like DXF, but a lot of our customers find that it's a lot easier just to export a 3D step file and then get an instant quote from that. So let me show you how that works. I've got FreeCAD open here, and as you can see, there's a custom gear here with some interesting cutouts in it. And so that design, we're going to turn that into a real part made out of aluminum. So you'll notice here that within the design, there's a body, which is a solid within the design, a solid area. So I'm going to click on that. I go to the File menu. I pick Export. Okay, and I'm going to use the option to save as type step. And I'm going to give this file a name that's easy to remember and save it in an easy to remember location. I click Save here. Then I'm going to switch over to the Big Blue Saw website. Here's the Big Blue Saw homepage. I'm going to click Get a Quote. From here, I can pick the file that I just created and upload that to the Big Blue Saw website. So I'm going to click on Choose File here. There's the file we just created. I'm going to open that and I'm going to click the Upload button.